You think they'll actually have staples?
No way.
Yes. Wait, you know what this means?
Come on! Woo! Hey, sir! All my friends hate me and they think I'm an idiot. Have a nice day!
Thank you.
Yeah!
Hey, I'm hungry. You want to go get
Taco Bell, Jinx, you owe me a kiss on the lips. You're not going anywhere, Brandon!
Is this my label?
Yep. Supreme Court, is that like Supreme the company? Because that's fucking tight.
Not dislike. Money doesn't grow on trees. Well, actually, most currency is made out of cotton fiber, and cotton is known to grow from bushes to trees, so technically— Wait!
What are you doing? Science fair project. I just found out hamsters are allergic. To what? Being underwater for 10 minutes?
If it wasn't for Pokemon Go, I would have never walked out and realized that my neighbor's minivan caught on fire.
Ooh, I'm exhausted. Yeah, you're really sweaty, dude. You should have seen the other guy, girl, your mom. What? What?
Listen, dude, if we're gonna be famous... What was that?
My tube.
What?
My tube.
Somebody just asked me what Barack Obama's last name is. Like, am I supposed to know that?
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
That's my wife.
That's your wife?
I'm so proud.
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of God?
You know, Canadian girls are real intuitive, so you have to make sure to be subtle with your intentions.
We should fuck, eh?
Son, are you high? No, I'm actually kind of depressed. Good, I'm glad that you're not high. Keep up the good work.
You know what? Fuck you if you eat all the time but never gain weight. Like, whose dick are you sucking to stay skinny, bitch? Hello? It's currently past. I don't give a fuck.
Wait.
When there's problem. Dude, that was really good. Thanks, bro. Should we kiss? I mean, it'd be wrong if we didn't.
Oh my god, look at it. Its tiny little legs. Oh, they probably got blown off by a grenade in Vietnam. Oh my god.
Hey guys, good alternative to recycling. When you're done with a glass bottle, eat it. Fucking eat the bottle.
Hey guys, my name is Alex. My favorite animal is probably Jurassic Park. I love homework and I love hitting the nay-nay.
Do you guys want to see something really funny? Here's Jello.
Hey, do you vape? You don't have to be a dick about it.
What are you doing on the roof, Uncle Alec?
I lost my frisbee!
Are you smoking crack up there?
Yeah.
At last.
He wanted that popcorn, and he was going to enjoy every last curve.
Hey guys, today we're watching the liberal propaganda film about an illegal gay Muslim. It's called Al-Adin.
My nipples just got hard.
And then I was like, what's wrong? My dog just got ran over. Okay, well, shut up for a second. And
Patrick, why are you listening to jazz from the 1920s?
Because I identify as a coal miner from the Great Depression.
I hit the body, I hit it well, but there's like blood in my truck. And what? Are you filming right now? Are you filming, dude? Yo, Chris, are you gonna... Dude, come on! Don't film me, man!
Are you looking for a fast, reliable internet connection? All at a fair price? Fuck you.
Sleigh bells in the snow.
Do you like want to kiss?
Yeah.
What are you doing? I don't know, I've never done. I'm waking up to... So are you into guys with big hearts? No, I'm more into bad boys. Well then today's your lucky day.
I'm a pretty easygoing guy, and I love video games.
Tell me where you live, pussy! I will be at your house!
Let's get it on, let me blow your mind.
No shoes, no shirt, no pants, no socks, no underwear. Okay, I think I'm good.
Cinderella, why do you want to go to the ball? 'Cause stepmother, ball is life.
We're sliding, Chloe. Chloe, it's not my fault. Not my fault. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have my seatbelt on. Fuck you.
Step up in this bitch like I'm the one your bitch like.
Hey mom, you want to make a vine?
Fuck you, little bitch boy. Little bitch boy, baby fucker.
I made a goal to lose 15 pounds by the end of this month, but it looks like I'm not gonna make it, so I sawed my arm off. A little weird, but kinda cool.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome.
Wow, thanks.
Song makes me wanna suck a dick.
Don't be clowning a clown. You'll wind up with a frown. Clown.
What's up, dude?
Had bacon and syrup.
I'm not finished. Let's get started.
Well, grab
First
the
off,
toaster.
oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
Yes! 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 I got 2 free.
Shots. Everybody!
All right, smile. Perfect. Now do a silly one. Ho, neato.
What do you do?
I'm an entrepreneur.
So what do you do?
Well, I did this.
What's up, pussy? How'd you know what I ate yesterday? You're ready.
Keep drinking, Stacy. Don't be boring. God. I want her to fucking pass out so someone finally notices me.
The cheesecake. The cheesecake. The cheesecake. The cheesecake. The cheesecake.
I don't know why my entire Instagram feed is just pictures of food. Check it out.